Welcome to our channel. Hooks can devastate your scoring and confidence, but understanding their causes allows you to make effective corrections. These steps will help you hit straighter shots. Step 1. Check your grip first. A grip that's too strong, with both hands rotated excessively to the right for right-handed golfers, promotes a closed club face at impact. Adjust to a more neutral position. Step 2. Examine your alignment. Many golfers aim too far right to compensate for their hook, which only exacerbates the problem. Align your feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to your target line. Step 3. Analyze your backswing plane. A flat inside takeaway creates an overly inside-out swing path that produces hooks. Work on taking the club back more neutrally along your target line. Step 4. Focus on your release pattern. An early release where your hands flip over aggressively through impact closes the face. Maintain wrist angles longer and rotate your body more through impact. Step 5. Check your stance width and posture. Standing too wide restricts hip rotation, forcing your hands and arms to overwork through impact, creating hooks. Use a more athletic stance width. Step 6. Practice hitting shots with an open club face feel. Make practice swings where you intentionally hold the face slightly open through impact to counteract your hooking tendency. Step 7. Consider professional video analysis to identify your specific hook pattern and receive personalized corrections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.